Hi, I'm Janelle with Straighten Up by Janelle, and today we're going to look at a better way to organize the space under your sink. First, here's a big thanks to Afterpay for helping provide this content and for letting everyone shop now and pay over 6 weeks with absolutely no interest so we can get organized today. My clients are always challenged by how to make the most out of the space under their sinks. There's the pipes to work around and all the wasted space. My answer to them is do it right or do it twice. The Elfa cabinet size drawer solution is so worth it. It's sized to fit the depth of bathroom cabinets, and be sure to measure so you know which width to get. The drawers make it easy to get to everything. And if you really want to trick it out, you can even use drawer organizers within the Elfa to keep smaller items from rolling around. The deep drawers are perfect for linens, bottles, or even your hot tools. Now that you know a better way to organize the space under your sink, don't forget there's a better way to pay for it: Afterpay. With Afterpay, you can upgrade to the right solutions and pay over 6 weeks. Download the app and you're on your way to a more organized space.